Good morning, dearest children. In this video, we are going to talk about adjectives. In the last video, we had some discussion about the basics of adjective. Where I told you that adjectives are the words which qualify nouns, which means they add some meaning to a noun or a pronoun. In this video, we are going to do an exercise based on adjectives. The exercise is about degrees of adjectives. Now, when we compare things, we compare either two things or we compare many things. So, when we compare two things, we use the comparative degree of adjectives, and when we compare many things, we use the superlative degree. So, let's begin. Here is the first one. My house is dash than yours. The first one has already been has been done for you as an example. So, dear children, what you see that a comparison has been drawn between two things: the house, my house, and your house. So, therefore, the comparison is between two things. So, the comparative degree of adjective is to be used here, and therefore bigger, right? Big, bigger, biggest. Big is the positive degree, bigger is the comparative degree, and biggest is the superlative degree. So the fact that a comparison is drawn between two things, so the comparative degree bigger. The next one now. This flower is the positive degree is given for you. And then that one. Again, you see a comparison is made between two things, between two flowers. So again, the comparative degree has to be used. Beautiful, more beautiful, and then most beautiful. So here we should use more beautiful because the comparison is made between two things. Now the third one. This is the positive degree is given for you. Dash book I have ever read. So dear children, the third one is a bit different because in this particular sentence the comparison is not between two things but many things. So the superlative degree is to be used here. Interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. So the superlative degree is most interesting, and therefore you have to fill this one with a superlative degree, most interesting. Now the fourth one. Non-smokers usually live dash than smokers. So the positive degree is given for you, long. Now again here is a comparison between smokers and non-smokers about two kind of people, non-smokers and smokers. So again the comparative degree has to be used here. Long, longer, longest. So the comparative degree is longer, and therefore fill this one with longer. The fifth one, which is the dangerous animal in the world. Now dangerous is the positive degree, but here again the comparison is not between two animals but many animals, and therefore the superlative degree, which is the again dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. So, which is the most dangerous animal in the world? Now the sixth one. A holiday by the sea is than a holiday in the mountains. Again, a comparison is drawn between holidays, holidays of two kinds, a holiday by the sea and holiday in the mountains. Again, the comparative degree, good, better, best. So the comparative word adjective here is better. So a holiday by the sea is better than a holiday in the mountains. Right. Next one. It is a strange but often a Coke is positive degree expensive than a beer. Again, a comparative degree is to be used here. Expensive, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. So fill this one with a comparative degree, more expensive than a beer. It is strange but often a Coke is more expensive than a beer. Next one, the eighth one. Who is the rich positive degree woman on earth? Again, so comparison between many people, many women here, and who is the most. Right, so the superlative degree, who is the richest? Rich, richer, richest. So the superlative degree is to be used here because comparison is drawn between all the women on the earth. Who is the richest woman on earth? Ninth one. The weather this summer is even than last summer. So the adjective here is bad. And be careful, children. It's not bad, better, baddest at all. It is bad, worse, and worst. So again, the comparison is drawn between the weather in this season and in this summer and the last summer. So again, the comparison is between two kind of weathers, two summers. So comparative degree. The weather this summer is even worse, WORSE, than last summer. Now the next one, the last one. Last but not least, he was the clever thief of all. So it's I think you can use both clever, cleverer, cleverest, and you can also use clever, more clever, most clever. So let's use cleverest because it is here it's about all the thieves in the world. So comparison is drawn between more than two people here, many people, many thieves. So he was the cleverest thief of all. So dear children, I hope you have been able to understand how we should use comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives in different contexts. Thank you.